You know how people say tools don't matter, only skill does? All right, let's test that in the hardest way possible. I have one of the worst 3D printers, and no matter how much I fight with it, this is the best print quality I can get. This printer and I are in a constant war. But quitting? Not happening. Still, I want the final product to look really high quality. We're going for a mug. That's a rough print to wait. You actually made that. Okay, moment of truth. This is my print. I'm making a simple slider that I know you guys like. The design is simple, but we're about to give it a serious glow up. Quick deal with you all. If this gets good support, I'll put the STL file in the description. I used 16 magnets, sized 553. Tiny magnets, but super satisfying. And of course, nothing is ever simple. It also assembles with size 2 screws, which I honestly don't know why. This is the final raw result, but as you can see, all the layer lines are visible. Yep, it's loudly saying, I was 3D printed, but this is where the magic starts. So first step is sanding with this metal file. Time to turn ugly into smooth. Then 200 grits sandpaper. Smoother. Then 400 grit. Even smoother. Then 1000 grit. Now we're getting somewhere. And now, the most satisfying part. Now it's time to polish. And this is the result. From rough print to shiny finish. But learn from my mistake. Be careful not to sand too much like I did, or you'll sand right through it. Yeah, it almost became a ventilation hole. In the end, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. With this printer, I'm calling that a win. And now a serious question. You watched all this and still haven't subscribed? Here we turn bad printers into cool projects every time.